Hi, welcome back. Now, for this problem, you're asked to use the graph of the function to solve the inequality. And that's what you're gonna be asked. What you're gonna be given this. What happens when the function is greater than 0? What happens there? This function right here. We're gonna work that first. Well, when it is greater than 0, let's see. That means it's above the x-axis, right? And since it's not greater than or equal, we just check. It's coming from negative infinity to 0. So, negative infinity to 0. U, then 2 to 3. 2 to 3, right? Over here. 2 to 3. Pretty straightforward. Now, what happens when it is f of x is smaller than or equal to 0? What happens there? Oh, I can't see that well. Let's go with green. Okay. So what happens then? When it is smaller than or equal to 0, well, that's below the x-axis. And we have to check the endpoints for the brackets, right? So, is this 0? Is this an endpoint? Yes, it is, because that's where this line ends. It ends right here at 0. So, bracket 0, it goes to 2. Is this an endpoint? Yes, because that's where this line ends. So 2 bracket u and 3, right? 3, is this an endpoint? Yes, because it's where this line ends. So bracket 3 to infinity. Is infinity an endpoint? If you said yes, you're wrong. It is not. It doesn't end. So that would be your answer for that graph. Now, let's look at the other ones. Oh, just gotta clear this. Oh, whoa, 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 what happened there? Okay, just gotta erase this. Carefully.
Listen to me.
Erase
Okay?
the graph.
You'll be good.
Here you go. Second graph. Over here. So what happens when f of x is smaller than 0? Happens there. When f of x is smaller than 0, well, our intervals are from what? Negative 2 to 0, right? All of this right here. Negative 2 to 0. So, negative 2, 0. U, what? 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. And negative 2 to 0. See it? It's over there. Okay, now what happens when f of x is greater than or equal to 0? Brackets, right? Let's check for your brackets above the x-axis. Let's see. Above our x-axis. This is coming from negative infinity to negative 2. So, you have one from negative infinity to negative 2. And there's no endpoint, so you don't have to put brackets. Now, this one is going from 0 to 3. So, we have an endpoint that's 0. Yes, because it's where this line ends. So, bracket 0 3. This is not an endpoint, right? It's gonna go up. That will be your answer for the second one.
Oh, please.
Now let's look
get
at the
what
third
I'm
and final one.
saying.
Don't get bored. We're almost done. Third and final one. What happens when f of x is smaller than or equal to 0? At this, the third one. Well, when f of x is smaller than or equal to 0, what happens below the x-axis? So it is coming from negative infinity to negative 3. Okay? It's going from negative infinity to negative 3. So, is this an endpoint? Ooh, it's not even crossing or touching. So when you see that this doesn't cross, then you're not gonna go from negative infinity to negative 3. You might be tempted to go from negative infinity to negative 3, but don't be. It's from negative infinity to 2. Yes, negative infinity to 2, because it never goes above the x-axis. So you have negative infinity to 2. And is 2 an endpoint? Yes, it's the endpoint of this whole line right here. So bracket. And that's your answer.
Hey, it wasn't as hard as you thought. So you're gonna do good in your homework. You're gonna do good in your midterm and your final and your quizzes. And I'm here for you, okay? See you next time.